Good afternoon and welcome to Unit 83 at 1535 Trossacks Avenue in London's North End. I'm standing outside this fabulous 3-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom townhouse condominium with very close proximity to great amenities. Let me take you inside and we'll take a look around, okay? The main floor here offers a spacious and bright living room, which follows through to the kitchen where there's a 2-piece bathroom and your own patio doors leading to the back deck. It's spacious, it's lots of room to store stuff as well, and it's a linoleum flooring which is in really good condition. Everything is very, very clean and impeccable here. It's been really nicely maintained. The second level here in this townhouse is fitted with 3 good-sized bedrooms. In particular, this master bedroom's a great size. You've got 3 panels of closet doors here with a large window letting in loads of light. It's a great size in here. This is a queen-size bed in here now. Could easily accommodate a king-size bed and 2 good-sized night tables, plus a chest of drawers. It's a great size. The other 2 bedrooms are also equally well-sized. The thirdest, being slightly smaller, would make a great office or nursery. Carpeted up here and freshly cleaned, all steam cleaned. Carpet's in excellent condition. In addition to the 2 finished levels here, there's also a finished level down in the basement. There's a rec room and plenty of storage. Down in the basement, you can do your laundry, tons of utility space, and of course, the rec room for family and movie nights. Enjoy this beautiful warm weather outside on your back deck, open to green space and your own privacy here. It's really pretty out here. It's very quiet as well. It's nicely privatized by the divisions between the deck, and it's very open, and it's very hot out. So I'm glad the air conditioning is working inside. It's very, very pretty out here. The landscaping and the gardens are beautifully manicured. It's well maintained. Thank you very much for joining me today on this tour of my latest listing at Unit 83 at 1535 Trossacks Avenue in London's North End. My name is Emma Wright. I'm with the Mulligan Realty Group, and we're here to turn milestones into remarkable memories. Thanks again, and join me next time. Have a great day.